It's been on our mind for a little
Yeah,
while.
it has. We've always talked about it. We just never kind of got around to it.
Since we had Haley, she's 5 months now, we've been thinking about things like a will and life insurance and all the important things for her future.
I know when I was young, I wasn't thinking of life insurance.
When you first start teaching, you don't have a lot of money and you don't have maybe the responsibilities.
I'm a young teacher, so I think first coming into the profession that, or in general, that I wasn't really thinking about life insurance.
When I first came into education, my husband got killed in a car accident. And so I told her we weren't insured.
In a 15-month span, I had lost my mother, my brother, and my sister.
My father died when I was 11.
My husband passed. That's not my children's fault. It's not my fault. That just happens. Life happens.
And he was killed instantly in the accident. And, you know, it caught everybody by surprise.
Because life's going to throw you a curveball and you're not going to be able to hit it.
It's very important because you never know the day or time or, you know, that you will need.
It's a stress situation all around, trying to get money or having to go to the bank and borrow money.
You know, you still have to make your rent and the car payments and the house payments and everything.
We didn't take the opportunity that we should have taken to get the insurance when it was first offered to us.
It put a financial strain on all of us. You don't want to be at the last minute trying to think about where the funds are going to come from when you're actually trying to put your loved one away properly.
They had no insurance, you know, and I was the one that ended up footing the bill. It practically broke me, you know, financially.
I do not want to leave my sons with any debt.
I love my kids enough that I want to not leave them with a financial burden. I wouldn't want to put their resources to the test like that. I'm sorry.
Being insured takes the burden in the long run off of you.
To just help you get through not only the emotional hurt, but then that financial struggle that unfortunately you have to deal with on top of the broken heart.
If my mother didn't have insurance, I may not have been able to go to college. I may not be sitting right here at the NEA right now.
We don't like to talk about it. We are just so head in the sand. But it's not if I die, it's when I die, this is how I would like to leave my family.
It was surprisingly affordable, actually, for the amount of coverage that would be offered.
When you start looking at it and thinking about your future, you will see, and particularly if you get in on a young age, you know, you will see the value of that.
The younger that you buy additional life insurance over and above what your job or the association provides you, the lower your premiums are going to be.
I'm sure there's other policies out there, but I don't know that there's any that would truly be more affordable. I pay around $20 for each policy each quarter. And when you look at the value of that, you know, when you see what it would pay out, God forbid something were to happen, it's an incredible benefit.
I have life insurance because I have 2 sons.
I have a daughter. I've raised her by myself.
It's primarily for my children, my 3 sons, and I now have 2 grandsons.
Don't be foolish like I was. Take the opportunity to think about what's best for you.
My name is Patricia Pulaski.
My name is Fred Dexter.
I am a school teacher.
My name is LaDon Drews.
I am an elementary counselor.
My name is Frank Green, and I'm insured with NEA.
And my name is Yolanda Taylor, and yes, I'm insured through NEA.
My name is Linda Sue Messler, and I am insured through the National Education Association.
Something happens to my mom, then we'll be able to be safe somewhere.
You'll have a place to live and you'll have, hopefully somehow pay for your college. You're planning to go to college.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it helps provide for you guys if I'm not able to take care of you.